Sanbona, welcome to another exciting journey into the beautiful Zulu language. Nature is all around us. It gives us fresh air to breathe, rivers to enjoy, and the sun to keep us warm. Today, we'll explore 10 amazing Zulu words related to nature. Are you ready? Let's start. Our first word is imvelo. Imvelo is nature. Imvelo. 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 Our second word is izihlahla, and that is trees. Izihlahla. And our third word is amadlelo, and that is grasslands. Amadlelo. Amadlelo. Then we move on to izintaba, and that is mountains. Izintaba. Izintaba. Next word is umfula, and that is river. Umfula. Umfula. And then we have amache, and that is rocks. Amache. Amache. Ulwandle is ocean. Ulwandle. 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 And that is the ocean. Next is isibhakabhaka, the sky. Isibhakabhaka. Isibhakabhaka. And then we come to the sun, and that is ilanga. 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 Lastly is bird, and that is inyoni. Inyoni. Wow, we've just explored 10 beautiful Zulu words about nature. Now let's do a quick recap. Imvelo is nature, izihlahla, trees, amadlelo, grasslands, izintaba, mountains, umfula, river, amatshe, rocks, ulwandle, ocean, isibhakabhaka, sky, ilanga, sun, inyoni, bird. Which Zulu nature word was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun Zulu language lessons. Until next time, nisale kahle. Ngiyabonga.